In order to set a custom keyboard theme on Google Pixel 10, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we can scroll down a little bit and go to System. Now go to Keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and then choose Gboard. Now here we can open Theme, and we have My Themes. We can press this plus button in order to create your own theme. So you can choose a photo that you wish to use as the background. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one up here. And now we can adjust it a little bit. We can zoom in and zoom out if you want to. And once you are ready, we can press next. Over here we can adjust the brightness of the photo of the image that we have chosen, and we can press done. We can also apply key borders if you want to, or disable them, and then apply in the bottom right corner. And there we go, we have our custom theme. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.